Hi, I'm Angie Lee. I teach second grade at PL Prep in Dallas IC. And if you're wondering how to incorporate self-pace and flexibility in your classroom today, I'm going to teach you what we do during a math workshop. So first we start off with something like, it's very similar to this, where we have 3 stations and students choose the order in which they would like to complete their work. Each station, for example, their task cards are differentiated and each student knows what they need to grab in order to work towards their goal. And then we slowly grow and we're able to work on a weekly learning plan. And this is a little bit more individualized. The students will set up their week and they'll choose, for example, if they want to complete their task card first, maybe technology, they'll get a little project and they can choose when they want to do their different activities.
So in my classroom, we have an entirely flipped environment in our option personalized learning program. And within the option, students are able to work through assignments at their own pace. They're able to do this by myself putting assignments and direct instruction videos on our online platform, Schoology, and students are able to come in and they're able to work through assignments and the direct instruction videos at their own pace. In our option personalized learning program, that's completely okay. The goal is that they're going to reach mastery over the content at their own pace. And we do not want to hold students back based on how fast or how slow they may learn things.
Kids are able to demonstrate mastery in a number of different ways through the PBL project and choosing assessments that will suit them and that reflect their interests and also their levels of understanding. They choose speaking and listening learning goals, writing learning goals, and reading learning goals, and they move through those so that they are never tethered just to one particular assessment.
Now, the way I offered structured choice in my room is, of course, it's first grade, so we start out very small, 2 choices. You can do this or this. I do this mostly with a must-do, may-do list. I have things listed under the must-do list that they have to complete, but they also have the choice to complete them in whatever order that they want, but they are under time constraints in certain activities. Now, on the flip side of it, on the may-do list, I usually put 3 or 4 choices. As the year goes along, I try and add more choices to it so that students can pick and choose what they would like to do. And we tie all of these things that they're choosing back to the goals that we've set in class. Offering structured choice, especially in those earlier years, keep it very basic, start off small, work your way through it as the year goes on, and your kids will love it. Also, flexible seating, that's another way to offer choice. I bring out one set of flexible seating at a time, and as we build confidence and we learn those expectations with those flexible seating choices, my students earn more and more choices that come into the classroom. Remember, start small, you can do it, teach those expectations, and allow those kids to fly.